Hi everyone, I am Mr. Sheikh, a licensed immigration advisor from Overseas Visa Consultancy, and right now I am in the main city of the Christchurch in New Zealand. And in this video, we are going to discuss regarding the partner of New Zealand work visa, whether you are partner of student, whether you are partner of accredited employer work visa, whether you are partner of specific work visa, or whether you are partner of New Zealand resident or New Zealand citizen. So in this video we are going to discuss what will be the condition of your visa and how long you will get open work visa as a New Zealander partner. Okay, and before starting this video I would like to say please like and subscribe my channel so you will not miss out any further updates announced by Immigration New Zealand and also the beautiful views of New Zealand. Okay, so and if you need any help regarding the New Zealand visas, please get in touch on this WhatsApp number and our team will definitely get back to you as early as possible. Okay, so let's understand what are the partner of New Zealand work visa and what will be the conditions as a New Zealander partner work visa. So we are here now on my screen and we are going to discuss in full details different partner of New Zealander work visa, and I am challenging you will not find such a detailed information anywhere on YouTube. So please watch this video till end and all your doubt will clear regarding this visa. So now we are here on my screen and let's discuss partner of New Zealander work visa. So we are going to discuss a partner of worker work visa, partner of a student work visa and partner of New Zealander work visa. Okay, so let's first begin with partner of New Zealander worker work visa. So who is eligible for this work visa? So certain work visa holder only eligible for this work visa if their partner working in that occupation. So what are that occupation? A work visa may be granted to an applicant who is the partner of AEWV work visa holder for a specific purpose work visa holder under the National Occupation List pathway in a role that is classified as ENSCO skill level 1, 2, 3 and listed in Appendix 7 or classified as NOL skill level 1, 2, 3 and listed Appendix 20 and paid at least $26.85 per hour. So if your partner is working occupations listed in Appendix 7 or Appendix 20, you will, and if your partner is earning $26.85, then yes, you can be eligible for this visa. Okay, so now let's discuss what are the Appendix 7 and what are the occupation for Appendix 20. So, Appendix 7 is occupations considered as ENSCO skill level 3 under the AEWV instructions. Okay, so what they are saying, so this occupation listed below can be considered at ENSCO skill level 3 for the purpose of assessing the relevant ENSCO skill level under the accredited employer instructions. So, occupations that are treated as ENSCO skill level 3, first is under the Appendix 7 is occupation cook, number second is paid groomer, then kennel hand, nanny, fitness instructor, and scaffolder, and slaughterman too. And next is part 2 is occupation that may be treated as ENSCO skill level 3 if the skill requirements of the role are equivalent to those of skill level 3 role. So what are those roles are? So number 1 is agriculture and horticulture mobile plant operator. Next is excavator operator and forklift driver. Okay, and next what is the Appendix 20? So Immigration New Zealand recently announced this Appendix 20 and there are lots of occupations they have included. So what are these occupations? So you can see here first is irrigation technician, calibration technician, drug and alcohol tester, wind turbine technician, then non-destructive testing technician, irrigation, cabinetry, gate drawer, joinery drawer. There are lots of information they have included, and then concreter, commercial, joinery site joiner, then waterproofer, animal trainer, then cabinetry installer, joinery technician, joinery finisher. Lots of occupation they have included, and there are searches here and there are searches are also here, so you can have a look for these all occupations. Okay, and a work visa may also be granted to an applicant who is the partner of AEWV or a specific work visa holder under the no national occupational list pathway who is paid at least $50.34 per hour. If your partner is earning $50.34 hour per hour, then you don't need to be, your partner can support you for this work visa. And second is if your partner is getting paid at least $33.56 per hour in a role that green list occupation and work visa holder meets the applicable requirements under the green list role, then yes, your partner can still support you for this visa. And next is in acceptable employment under the transport sector or care sector work to residence policies and paid at least $26.85 per hour or the wage requirement specified in the sector agreement, whichever is higher. So if your partner is working in transport sector or care work sector and is earning $26.85, then yes, still your partner can support you for this work visa. Now let's discuss about the ENSCO skill level 4 and 5 role. So what is saying, this is very important part. What is saying, a work visa may be granted to an applicant who is the partner of AEWV holder ENSCO skill level 4 or 5 role, or the applicant who is the partner of essentials work visa holder where the supporting partner is paid at least $26.85 per hour if and only if on 26 June 2024 the applicant held a relationship-based visa supported by accredited employer work visa. So if you are partner of ENSCO skill level 4 and 5 occupation, and if your partner were earning $26.85 on 26th of June 2024, then yes, whether level skill or 4 or 5, you still can apply for this visa. Next is saying, or if had an application in progress for a relationship-based visa supported by the accredited employer work visa holder, and that application was subsequently granted. So if your application is under process with Immigration New Zealand, and if your visa is approved, then still you can be eligible for this visa to renew your visa. Okay, so but the condition is this: your partner should be earning $26.85 and on 26th of June 2024. If you are already held visa, that's fine. If you are visa for processing by immigration and then subsequently granted, that's also fine. Okay, so work visa will be granted for the same period as the work visa held by the applicant's partner, subject to generic requirements being made. So same duration of the visa you will get for as your partner will get. Next is any work visa granted under these instructions may be endorsed with conditions that allow work for any employer and do not require full-time employment. So you can work anywhere, there is no restriction, and you don't need even full-time employment. So okay, now let's discuss regarding the work visa for partners of student work visa holder. So this is also very important part. So a person may apply for and be granted a multiple entry work visa if their partner holds a student visa study at level 7 or 8 qualification on the New Zealand qualifications framework that is specified either in the qualification eligible for a post-study work visa list or on the green list. So if you are studying in New Zealand level 7 or 8 and your qualification is in the list, now we are going to discuss soon what are the occupations and what courses are in the Greek qualification eligible for post-study work visa list. So here you can see a graduate diploma in level 7, highway engineering or civil engineering, construction management, construction project management, construction, and then graduate diploma level 7, quantity surveyor, graduate diploma in quantity surveying, graduate diploma in acceptable teaching council. So if you are doing primary, intermediate, and early childhood, still your partner will get open work visa. Okay, next is a graduation diploma in teaching, so early childhood as I mentioned. So still your partner will get open work visa. And the next is graduate diploma in level 7, highway engineering or civil engineering, construction management or construction project management, and construction graduate diploma level 7, then graduate diploma in quantity surveying. And next is New Zealand diploma in engineering level 6. Is a civil engineering or work. You can work as a construction project manager or civil engineering technician. And next is New Zealand diploma in construction level 6. New Zealand diploma in construction level 6 will stand in quantity surveying. New Zealand diploma in construction level 6. So these all are courses you can do. and work, and your partner will get open work visa. So you can see here there are all other are here. Okay, so now who can apply for this partner of student work visa? That's a very important question. So first of all, have a partner who is a New Zealand student visa, is studying for an eligible qualification and can support your application. Next is be living with your partner in a genuine and stable relationship. So you have to prove your relationship here. Have at least New Zealand dollar 4,200 for your account. For your you have to you have to show this funds is available in your bank account. Next is you should be in good health, you should be good character, and have genuine reasons for coming to New Zealand. Okay, so that's you are coming to support your partner. So that then you can eligible for this visa. Next is partner of New Zealander work visa. So let's discuss about this visa and who can apply for this visa. So you must have New Zealand citizen or residence partner who is eligible to support your application. Next is be living with your partner in a genuine and stable relationship. Next is be in good health, good character, and have genuine reasons for coming to New Zealand, and have enough money to pay your living expenses and have an acceptable sponsor. Then you can eligible to apply for a partner of New Zealander work visa. Okay. Then next is now let's discuss about the instructions, duration of visa for partners of New Zealand citizens or residence class visa holders. So this visa is have two options. So it depends how long you have been living together. So number one, what is saying, if the couple has lived together in a partnership that is less than 12 months at the time the application is assessed, then the first visa granted will not exceed 12 months duration. Further visa may be granted upon application for up to maximum of 36 months. So what they are saying, if you have been living together less than 12 months, then your work visa will be approved maximum 12 months. But still after this visa after 12 months you can apply more to 2 years. So that's total the 36 months. So that's important part. But if the couple has lived together in partnership for more 12 months or more, at the time the application is assessed, a work visa may be granted for the length of the couple's intended stay up to a maximum of 36 months. So if you already live together for 12 months, then your partner will get totally straight away will get 3 years work visa, 36 months. Okay. So now there is a one more requirement, additional requirement I would say. What is the eligible supporting partner? So who is the New Zealand partner who's supporting you? That's also there is a requirement. So what is saying your partner must be eligible to support your application. So what they are saying, your partner must support your visa application and be eligible to support your partnership based residence visa application within 12 months. So when you are applying in within 12 months, your partner should be supporting you for residence visa as well. Next, what is saying, to be eligible to support a partnership-based residence visa application, your partner must not have supported a successful residence visa application for more than one previous partner, have supported a successful residence visa application for a previous partner within the past 5 years, have included a previous partner in their own successful residence visa application within the last 5 years, and have themselves been included as a partner in a successful residence application within the last 5 years. So this is the residence visa requirement actually. So what they are saying, within the last 5 years, your partner should not be acted or should not be included in any in the residence visa application under the partnership. Okay, so be liable for deportation and should not be liable for deportation and have the deportation liability suspended. So that's the residence visa requirement. Okay, now I would like to explain here and say something like our successful stories. So you can see here we have helped our clients who have got approved work visa partnership based, and here we have one more client who got approved work visa partnership based on student visa. Okay, so partner of student visa, and there are some other more successful stories who got student visa. Here we can see is a pathway student visa. Here we have permanent residence visa, and many other clients we have who got approved their visa, and they are very happy with our service. So and there is one more like visitor visa and so many other visa we have got approved for our clients. Okay, so I would like to say thank you so much for watching this video, and if you need any help or if you would like to know more about this visa, or if you have any concern or confusion, so please get in touch on this WhatsApp number, or you can send us on this email, and we will get back to you as early as possible, and we will sort out your all visa queries. So So thank you so much for watching, and all the best for your journey to New Zealand. Thank you.